After washing the clothes, Huang walks home to hang the clothes in the yard. These chores never tire him. The elders in Bama have worked since they were young. The centenarians who cannot do heavy work are assigned lighter chores. When she gets up every morning, Huang Magang cleans the house and then starts to cook for the family. They only eat twice a day, brunch and dinner. Huang Magang goes to the Pangyang riverside to wash the vegetables for the meals. These are Huang Magang's daily chores. Researchers discovered something unusual when measuring the blood pressure of the centenarians. None of these elderly people were found to have high blood pressure. Their diet commonly includes a special soup. The soup is found only in Bama. It is eaten in every household. It is called hemp seed soup. Hemp can be found in most places of the southern provinces in China, but is most commonly seen in Bama. In many places, hemp is sold in drugstores as a kind of medicine. However, in Bama, it is used as a food. Its leaves can be fried. Its fruit is called Fructus cannabis, which is harvested at the beginning of autumn. Fructus cannabis contains rich oil. To make the soup, you need to peel the fruit and boil it in water. Then vegetables are added. The soup looks milky, and to many outsiders, its taste is unappealing. Perhaps this soup contributes to the longevity of Bama's population. The soup is said to be good for the stomach and intestines. However, there is no evidence to prove that it contributes directly to Bama's longevity. Wei Mai lives in Jingli Tun of Jiar village in Xishang Township. She is 107 years old. One day she slipped out of the house when all of her children were gone. She went to a vegetable field to work. She feels quite anxious when she isn't busy. She quickly picked pumpkin sprouts and hurried home so that she would be there before her children arrived. People find it hard to believe that she is over 100. Though life is challenging, people are happy in Bama. Every centenarian has a positive outlook. Perhaps optimism is the real secret of longevity in Bama's senior citizens.
Zhufu was once a happy and healthy little girl. But one day, a genetically defective disease struck her so that death was drawing the 6-year-old fast to its side. Parents' dedication and advanced medical treatment gave the young life light at the end of the tunnel.
Zhufu is a bright and adorable little girl. At 6 years old, she excelled at school and learned to dance and play the piano. But her graceful movements soon began to falter. Zhufu had trouble walking. She became pigeon-toed and often stumbled as she moved. In school, she began to struggle. The loss of motor skills and her trouble learning began to worry her parents.